Get it! Get it, you silly goose! Get it! Sky, get your pig ear. Go on, get it!
My name is Trevor Moran. I'm from Temecula, California, and I'm 13 years old. I got my supporters here. Say hi, guys. Some of my parents and we're here on this hot, sunny day in San Francisco, California. And it's our name, Trevor Moran. Trevor, ever since he was little, has always likes to just perform. That's why he does it. Hi guys, what's up? I'm Trevor, and right now I'm at the X Factor audition.
Are you gonna get that pig ear?
I'm just making videos for the internet. I make like these dance videos. That's what people say. I have wanted to be a star.
Get the pig ear.
I was grateful for seeing all those music videos and everything. I'm trying to get myself out there, and so doing these videos has really built
Where'd you get
my
that pig ear?
confidence.